Hi friends, today I will explain how to merge two sorted arrays into a third sorted arrays. I will explain through this code and I will start with the main part. First of all, we will declare the array1 and array2. I will draw them into here. This is our array1 and this is our array2, and I will get the elements 1, 4, 5, 8 and 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7. So the number of elements inside this array1 will be n1, and the number of elements inside this array2 in here, n2, we declare it in here. Then we declare an array3, which is an empty array. We do first a comparison between is array1 and array2, and we will take the lowest one, the lower one, and we will insert our new array3, and the space this array takes will be n1 plus n2, so the space context also will take n1 plus n2, our space complexity. And now I will explain what this function do. Actually, it's doing the comparison between array1 and array2. So in here we declared the index number for arrays. For example, for array1 it will be I and it was 0, and for array2 it will be j as 0. For array3 it will be k, and it's also 0. Then while there are remaining elements inside array1 and array2, we will do this while loop inside here. What's it's doing in here? It's first looking the index of array1 and it compared to array2 index, and which one is lower, it takes the which one is lower and insert the array3. For example, in the first we will take 1 because I is 0, I is showing here, and j is showing here, and j is 2, and this if statement is executing, and we will insert the 1 inside the array3. Then we will increment the k and I. K will be 1, for example, and I will be 1. Then j is still showing the same part of the array2. Then we will do the same operation again. So I is showing now here and k is showing now here. So the array1 elements 4 and the array2 element is showing 2. So the 2 is not bigger than 4, so this as statement in here executed, and we will take the 2. Then we will increment k and j. So k will be 2 and j will be 1. So j is now showing 3. Then we will do the same operation again. So j is showing 3 and I is showing 4. So j is lower than 4. So we will take 3. So we will increment again. So it will go on like that. So I will just write it here, and 4, 6, 5, 6, 8, 6, 8, 7. Then there are no elements inside array2 now. Then this while loop is done. Then we will go out inside. we will go out from this while loop, and there are still one element remaining inside n1, so we will execute this part of code. So it will 4, 5, 6, 7, and it will insert the 8. So I will just do it here, just write it here. So if we talk about the time complexity of this algorithm, we can say that it takes 8 units of times. We can say that. So what if the number of elements inside array 1 would be, for example, 1,000, and for the n2 it's also 1,000, for example. We can say that which unit of times it will take? It will take 2,000 units of times. So we can say that the time complexity for this algorithm, it will be O(n)(1) plus O(n)(2). It's also, we can say that O(n). Also for the space complexity in here, it takes n1 plus n2 space. So we can also say for the space, we can also say O(n). That's all for to explain. Have a good day.